Hey guys, happy Sunday. We are on the way to a fishing spot.
Also, Grandpa was out of the bathroom.
Dude, we're recording and now that's in the video.
Open the,
Just walk outside.
roll the window down because there's a bug in here.
No, you walk outside. Or keep your mouth
Roll
shut.
the window down.
I mean, you guys had to get in the car.
Yep, real life, happy Sunday, guys. We back when we get
No, you get in the
where
back.
we're going.
Grandpa's in there, remember? Also, watch out for the chips.
We're at the store, guys. Got this new drink, and I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Let me know if y'all tried it. It's the pineapple coconut refresher with coconut milk.
It's actually
They only had water. I'm talking.
It's called pineapple lemonade refresher, but we added coconut milk because they had no lemonade.
Gosh.
Hey, don't y'all see a girl coming?
Why she gotta, y'all, anyways. Yes, I got that, and then I got me a caramel ribbon crunch frap. I didn't get no hot coffee. I don't need hot coffee. It's okay. I think I got ice though. Anyways, he got a cup of water. Ane got a pike, nothing in it, just black. And then the crew back there. I'm sorry, let me get you out. The crew back there got nothing.
Yeah.
Mommy doesn't share.
And I got two croissants. Two cheese danishes because it's for my app. Yeah, I get points. But anyways, I'm gonna show it to y'all when we get it. Let me know if y'all have tried it. Got the other one. They don't have lemonade, so that's why I had to get it. And I asked the lady if it's good. She was like, we only can make it with water or coconut milk. And I was sitting there thinking, I asked you if it was good. But anyways, let's see. Hopefully, it'll be yummy.
Good morning. Your total is $21.55.
All right.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here you are. We don't have any cup holders at the moment.
That's fine.
Sorry about that.
What I want. See, I knew that was going to happen with that high.
Here you are.
Yep.
Get your paper. That thing is hot.
I'm okay. I just burnt my finger. I ain't need that part of my finger.
Be careful with this one as well. The caramel's kind of dripping. Are you vlogging?
I am. All right. Thank you. Have a good one. So here is his water. I'm gonna show y'all my other drink in a minute. Okay, Mom.
Yeah, you good.
So
Go ahead. Don't pick that thing up till you're done talking.
It's okay.
It's going to leak on you.
So here is this. But y'all know how. Let me know.
Disobedient.
I'm not. I do what my mama said. Okay. Anyway, so here is the strawberry thing with the almond milk. I mean, with the. It don't look like there's any milk in here at all, y'all. So anyway, the girl, not almond milk, coconut milk. Sorry, y'all, but I'm gonna try it because I'm glad I got a tall. I'm gonna try it for y'all in a minute. And then they were just messy today, y'all. Just real messy. Anyways, I'm not complaining too much. The caramel ribbon crunch, mine right here. It's all syrupy and yummy and stuff. I'm gonna tear that up in a minute too. I'm gonna tear it up. So if I put it next to him, he won't touch it. That's what we got going on. I will check y'all. Well, let me try this first before I.
All
right.
I see how it is. Pick your favorites.
I did not pick a favorite. It was a part of me to get my 50 points, so that's what I did.
So you can buy cheese Danish for free.
Also, the girl noticed I was vlogging. She's like, "Are you vlogging?" So she was like being all extra. Thank you, blah 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 blah. He just tried.
On the mirror.
No, because Mom just pick your favorites.
I see pineapple.
Okay. That ain't. Hold on.
Your kids are a hot mess. They just think, look at her, she's really serious with her little skinny.
This ain't bad. This ain't bad. Anyways, I'm gonna let them have it. Here you go.
Oh.
Let me get her reaction. And his face over here doing a whole bunch of stuff. Why are you looking like that?
No, fart. I can talk you do it.
Okay.
Because I got them.
Your mind saying other things. All right, Lena. Taste it out, child.
Wait, push the pineapples back down. Oh, thank you. Come on, baby girl.
Okay. It ain't that bad. Will I buy it again? No. But it ain't that bad.
It is some carbonation.
So hubby said he found something over here. I don't know for sure what it is. The crew and them are back there. They're having church up there, y'all. I ain't gonna show too much. go.
There you go.
Okay, you can see us. Yay. Yeah, y'all. So this place is really, really pretty. I've never been out here. I don't think you've been out here either, have you?
No one has, no.
Yeah, so it's our first time. Mom and the crew are over there fishing. Me and him are doing this.
Wife and husband stuff.
And I thought he was going to be fishing, so this is a surprise because I was on Instagram. Because you know me, I don't fish. I was going to capture the moments and things. So check out my Instagram reel if you haven't. It should be still on my page. Check it out. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me at just.k.renee. And yeah, I'm trying to step on my game, y'all. This whole real life is not for me. I don't know why they can let things be simple. Why it gotta be so difficult? And they're having church back there. I'm not gonna show nobody, but church back there on the hill, which is pretty cool. But it's very, very peaceful and quiet. And I just love the sky, y'all. I keep showing it because it's so pretty. Very, very cute. How pretty it is, y'all. Look at my husband. It's so pretty out here. Look at the bird. It's a whole vibe, man. Oh, we can sit down here by the water.
Hmm?
You sit down here.
We could have what?
Sit down here by the water.
Yeah, good. I told Mom about it. I said how, you know, it's calmer over here than it's over there.
Yeah.
Water there is really choppy. Okay, cool. What about shade?
Right. That's why she ain't coming over here.
There is one tree.
Blow me out like a broken fire. Oh, working up some night. No, we ain't gotta know your name. No, we ain't gotta know yeah. Broken fire. Oh, working up some night. No, we ain't gotta know your name. No, we ain't gotta know yeah. I don't feel the best that a week inside. Oh, working when we don't play. Couldn't anybody reach you now? Broken flame. Oh, working.
One thing I love to do as a fisherman is find other folks' stuff. See that? Looks fairly new actually, but someone dropped it, they lost it, don't know. But it's mine now. All I gotta do is just remove all the string there. Dunk it in water. In fact, let's dunk it in water now. And there we go. Mine now.
Gosh, Zay.
One messed up.
He had his head.
Really?
He jumped onto his head and basically armored to the head.
Wow.
I ain't got no more food. Y'all better scary.
Ooh.
Scurry off.
Oh.
Sorry, Grandma. Now they're coming over. Oh, not the geese. Not the geese. Oh, my God.
Oh.
They went under.
He sees something.
Stay underwater. Oh, it did. Oh, no. Y'all better not come over here. Y'all come over here.
He over there.
Fight, move, fight.
They swimming.
Ooh, y'all.
Oh, boy, that's some fruit. Is this fruit? What is this? On the trees.
No, that's walnuts.
Oh.
Pecans,
Huh? Pecans?
Rock all the way over there.
Pecan trees, y'all.
So that they can eat. Stay there.
Yeah. Oh, so it does. Oh. Noah, stop. What happened?
Down in the water.
I found a little ones over there.
Yeah, that's a good one.
There's a fish right there.
You see tons of them.
It's 2-on-1. It's 2-on-1.
Oh, yes. Oh, what are they doing? Why are they doing him like that?
Hey, you getting washed?
Yeah, he is. He says hot. Oh, thank you for that. I need to be recorded with my phone. Y'all gonna be on YouTube. Is that all right? How y'all consent for y'all to be on YouTube? Man.
Don't you worry, don't you cry. I can promise it gets better in time. Keep your head up, keep your shine. Hold my hand up, it gets better in time. Don't you worry, don't you cry. I can promise it gets better in time. Keep your head up, keep your shine. Hold my hand up, it gets better in time.
Oh, it seemed farther than. That's like the same one Noah had did when we were at the other place.
Yeah.
There was a tree there. Yeah, you caught that tree.
All right. Who? Mama? No, ain't no shade.
Man, the water's so calm too.
There's an open spot over there. I would let people get off the boats and stuff right there.
Oh, okay. I've never seen it before. Look how shallow it is. That's cool. That might not be for like.
No, maybe not.
Right,
Maybe he's sitting down in a chair or something.
Maybe. Actually, no. Handicapped people.
Oh.
So they can sit right here.
Right, got you.
Yeah, that's cool.
That is cool. Nice.
This is a nice spot.
Yeah. Man, this would be good for some pictures.
This is a nice.
It's so pretty out here, y'all. Very, very nice.
There's a white duck over there.
There he is. They were drowning that duck over there, y'all.
Man.
They were fighting bad.
Tag teaming them.
Y'all hear that? Leave me a cat emoji if y'all heard that. What if it's like stuck in a tree?
What is in a tree? It's white.
Oh, is it hurt? Oh, are you hurt, kitty? Yo, I want to get close. I want to get scared. I think it is hurt. Oh, it's coming towards us, y'all. Look, it's right there. I wonder if it's lost. Y'all see it? Hi, Katie. Oh, you lost your mama? Where's your mama? You got ticks and things?
I think it's got something that keeps rolling to the side.
Oh, something going on because it's crying. Oh, goodness. Okay, kitty, we gotta go.
Time to get air.
You want to play the game that we did? Grandma? I will teach you the game. So, for instance, if I were to say green, you could say grass, and then I would say plant, and then you could say flower, and then I would say flower, and then seeds. What you're trying to do is, you're trying to you're trying to match each word, really. Like, you name what family it's in. So, if I were to say brother, you can say, oh, we got a pig.
Oh.
Hey. You gotta find me baby fish.
His name is Maximus.
Oh, he's so cute.
Hi,
Mommy, he's not getting you. You're fine. Mommy, you're fine.
It's too close.
Mommy, it's fine. You're
It's
fine.
ordering me.
You're fine.
I don't like it.
Take it, Noah. Take it.
Your daddy's trying to record. Go. Be careful with Maximus. I named him Maximus.
No, his name is not Maximus. Grandma just like these kids.
He has to grow into $1 billion, so we gotta put
No,
it back.
guys, do not put it back.
That's not where I had it.
I don't know where you had it. I'm an infant.
Get up, put it over there by the edge. Turn it this way, not near the edge.
Y'all keep this in. Keep this in. If Jessica's out of
Over
this,
here.
keep it in. Keep this in, Mom. Jessica. Cause they need to know real life.
Jessica who?
And her name Jess.
Oh, yeah, she's not editing this. I'm gonna be editing it.
Okay, keep that in. Oh.
It's fine. Look at me.
Oh.
What, are we twisting?
Yes. It was an inch, guys. I inched it. Inch. Y'all gonna keep that in too?
I'm editing it.
You keep it in. You can keep this in right now. Cause I wanted to ask you, is anybody on this? Nobody's on this.
No, there's a park. There's a full-blown park. That's
Where?
where we come to get y'all, so y'all can go to the park.
Can you where?
It's over that way.
Let's go.
It's got swings and everything.
Is anybody over there?
No,
I'll go
it's
to the
not
park.
go out, yeah.
So, guys, hi, London and Camo. If y'all watching this, shout out to you, cause y'all the best ever. And Tammy, and that lady that had a baby. Be fit. You too. And
All the rest of y'all.
all the rest of y'all, Simone in life too. Yeah, yeah. We ain't forget about you, girl. We know you. Yeah. We know you there. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So we're going to the park right now because we're fishing with our family, and it's really fun.
It's gonna be shaky. Okay.
Ooh. Oh, I thought it was kids over here.
It is a kid.
Oh, at the park? Oh, better not be, because I'm not playing with no... Y'all, if y'all don't know me, I don't like going to the park with kids. Like my dad, I know I'm a kid and everything, but like, I like myself and my family. Like, especially if some have family, like I love all my family, but some I love favorites. So, especially if my favorite family, then that's when I'm happy. But now it's gonna be me and Mom time to play at the park. Is the cat over there?
No, the cat's down here.
Bet. We're gonna go save a cat too, guys.
No, we're not. Y'all already seen the cat
We're not gonna save
in
a
the
cat.
previous clip. I'm supposed to be closing this vlog out.
We ain't closing
But
this
she
out.
wants y'all to see her beautiful face.
You already know.
Girl,
Can you keep that in too?
I will, Aaliyah.
Oh wait. Okay, London, if you see that, don't laugh. Laugh. I don't care. I'ma live my life. Why don't you just live yours? Whoa. Oh, whoa. It's not funny. We're just singing, and then I heard something. See, that's mother like daughter. Well, you need to keep that in. You have to.
Like, wait a minute.
I started the song too. Yeah, keep that in. Keep that in. Keep that in.
Let's go up a little bit. Keep going.
I don't like to watch people watching me vlog. And we both don't, you know that.
I don't hear it no more. I don't even see it.
Where? What? It was over
She
here?
gone, yeah. All right, y'all. See, the cat is gone. It was over there, but it's gone now. All right, come on. Yep, people are coming to the park.
Where?
There's a car backing up right there.
It means that it goes straight. It is, then we're going out.
All right, y'all.
Okay,
So
you said we could both go on a swing.
I did not say that.
No, I did.
I did not say we were both going to swings.
That's the point of us going.
You know I can't do swings like I used to, but I'll get on for you. Why she ready for walks?
Shut up, mommy. I said shut up. I said shut up. What's your face change?
You know, I have to snatch it back. It's gonna be a real, unedited, unfiltered.
That would be like 24 hours long.
Yeah, that would be really long. All right, y'all. So we have made it to the park. Child, I used to play on these when I was little.
Go on the other one.
Girl, ain't get on there.
Mom. Come on. Don't be mom. Be kid. Again. You can relive your kid dreams. Play with your daughter. Oh, mama, we can play. Ow. Cherry chart.
Really wanted to what you mean to me, but I'm afraid our story would end. Weighing all your dreams against reality, where you're falling in love with a friend. If I just came out and told you you're my everything.
I think we're done. Every time I try to close it out, we do something else. They're not like they used to be, right? I know.
Babies can't get on. Can't climb up there.
Right. Definitely has changed.
I'm gonna say something. I got a friend that works here.
Oh, also, okay.
Talk to him about it.
Cause they used to be lower than that. Like you have to jump up and then climb to get on that one.
Now you gotta jump.
Right.
Try.
All right. Thank you. Oh, girl, you falling?
Nope. I had something on slick. This probably go down fast.
Oh yeah, like yes,
Yeah,
I remember those. Those days was fun.
Hey, I'm gonna do it in a minute.
Okay.
I'm old, but I still do it.
Look, I don't blame you. I would too.
Alyce, I don't
Mina, you gonna record me going down?
care about them.
Are y'all like YouTubers?
Yeah, I vlog. Come on.
Here.
Go. Don't be scared now. You were just excited about it. Come on.
You gotta climb over there, Mom.
Oh, okay.
You gotta wait your turn too.
You gonna do it? Come on.
Try.
Try. You gotta do it. Look, I'm 54 years old, so I know if you can.
Well,
I mean, I can.
I'm 40 next year.
I'm for real?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm 54, and that's my grandson.
Okay.
So I do it every time I come over here. Okay. Nathan, pick me right away, baby doll. Okay. Oh, Lord, help me. Okay.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready, Mom.
Might be epic fail. I don't know.
It's
You
gonna
can
be.
do it.
Go,
All right.
Mom.
Do
Go.
it.
Oh, I'm sweating.
Mom, go.
Oh, where you at? See there?
That was fun. Bob, back me to Reese. I barely made it down, right?
Yeah.
5.
you
Oh,
can
okay.
do it.
Come on, do
You
5.
can do it.
3 more, 4
I'll
more.
do
Come on.
one, Mom.
Come on, girl.
I'll
You
do one
can
that
do
we
it.
follow.
Come on.
Nathan, where's your phone? Okay.
Come
you
on.
put in the car?
1. There you go. All the time.
I ain't done them. I can't do something. You got it.
Mom, your feet. No, Mom, you go.
You got it.
Because I'm tall. I mean, I'm...
You short.
You got it.
Go.
All right.
1,
Go on. Go, go, go.
2. One more, Mommy. One more.
One more.
One more.
Do it.
Go, Mom.
Do it.
Mom. Go up. Do it.
I probably
Go.
can't do
I'm
it.
stuck.
He's gonna die.
I did 1. Yay for me. I'm proud of that. All right, y'all. If y'all enjoy this type of vlogs and things of that line, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And check out what I did last week, okay? All right, guys. As always, don't forget to keep the hope, keep the faith, keep praying. Bye, guys. That's my main channel. It'll be linked there so you can check it out. Bye.
Let go of me.